We're making this video to showcase the large inventory of raw materials we have available here at the Equipment Hub. This inventory consists of over $250,000 worth of aluminum, stainless steel, mild steel, chromoly, bronze, a variety of different plastics including Delrin, UHMW, nylon as well. You can see here on the rack though a variety of different profiles, everything ranging from square tubing, rectangular tubing, solid stock, DOM tubing. We get into some aluminum tubing, spline shaft, again square solid stock, rectangular solid stock, and all these profiles too are available in all material types, again being aluminum, stainless steel, mild steel, chromoly, so on and so forth. I'd like to showcase too some of the larger pieces of solid stock we have available. Some of these span anywhere between 10 to approximately 20 feet. You can see here a large section of 6x6 60-61 aluminum. This whole section in fact is all pretty much 60-61 aluminum, all ranging in much larger profile sizes. As we pan over to this section, you can see a large inventory of structural steel, rectangular, and square tubing. And then we get into, again, some of these larger sections of solid stock, ranging anywhere from approximately 3-inch diameter all the way up to about 8-inch diameter, solid stainless steel, as well as aluminum. Like I had showcased in the last section, you can see another very large section, approximately 4x6 of 60-61 aluminum, ranging in lengths between approximately 5 feet all the way up to about approximately 15 feet. As I move to this section, you can see a large assortment of metric stainless steel round stock, ranging anywhere between 2 feet on up to about 10 feet. Pan around here to a whole shelf full of precision ground steel, rectangular, and square stock. And then we pan over to this shelf that consists completely of different plastic stock, mostly all around nylon, Nylotron, UHMW, Delrin, whole wide variety. Then we make it to the last section here that consists of a lot of remnant pieces of thicker aluminum plate, most all of which is 60-61 aluminum. And then we pan over to this shelf that consists of all sheet and plate plastics, again Delrin, UHMW, nylon, ABS, so on and so forth.